Hi everyone, today we are going to take one more question from ACT previous year papers. Now, they just gave you a relation and you need to identify if it's a function or not, right? The condition of a relation to be a function. So what is needed basically to prove a relation is function is that every input of the relation should have only one output, not more than that. So like if you go to the table, when you're giving the input as 3, your output is 6, right? This is the input. This one is the output. When you're giving the input as 7, your output is 9. When you're giving an input of 1, your output is 5. So in future, when you will plug in x equals 3, you should get 6, right? That's the only output. But see, 3 has another output, which is 4. So if I consider the input 3 has two outputs, right? The first one is 6 and the second one is 4. But to be a function, every input should have only one output, not two. It has two output, so it isn't a function. It's not a function. So this relation is not a function. Why so? Let's see the options then. Which of the following statements prove? Let me erase it first. Okay. It's because the y value is always greater than the x value. No. It's because there are 5 distinct values in both the domain and range. No, it's not because there are 2 different y values paired with x value 3. Yes. So it's not a function. Why? Because there are 2 different y values. Y value means the output. There are 2 different outputs paired with the x value 3. X value means input 3. So when you are giving input as x equals 3, you're getting 2 outputs. First one is 6, second one is 4. So that's why this is not a function. So remember, to be a function, what is needed? Every input should have only one output, not more than that. And if somewhere you are getting some missing output, like let's say in this question, if for input 2, there were no outputs, then it's not a function as well. So every input should have output also. Outputs cannot be missing. But say this input doesn't have any output. So that's not a function as well. Okay, so 2 conditions. Every input should have output, and every input should have only one output, not more than that. That's it.